Happy 4th of July from Phoenix, Arizona.
Come on,
come on!
We need the grand finale.
Come on, they just started. Don't tell me they stopped. Don't tell me they stopped.
Mom. Coming.
They just stopped. Oh, there they go. There they go.
Whoa! Over the house.
Okay, the house almost set on fire.
Jenny. That was weird.
Yeah.
Hey, let me get the camera and I'll go on the car.
You are not going on Mom's car.
No one's shooting anything right now.
There!
Hold your ears.
Woo! There's more!
Jenny, look.
And more! And that's it? I don't think so. Oh!
Jim, watch right there. Keep watching.
I am too lucky to have this so close. What was that?
Look, Jenny, this one's going to be pretty. Hold your ears.
Okay, I think I felt something fall.
It's ash. By the time it hits you, it's not going to burn. Just keep an eye on the house and the lawn. They're done for a second.
That proves how close they are. No.
Get off my car.
See, I told you.
I did.
This proves how close they are. There's ash falling on me.
Okay, I think they're over other than Eric getting smacked being on my car. That wasn't the grand finale.
No, trust me, it takes them off. Okay, now I'm smelling some fumes.
Yeah, because they're right there at the apartments.
Oh, come on, that can't be.
Burning down the apartments?
Come on, that can't be it.
That was not the grand finale. Come on, that was not the grand finale. Yeah, it was. They're done. Just wait. Just wait.
If you listen real closely, you can hear the neighbors complaining about all the noise.
And if you listen really close, you can hear a helicopter.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Ah, come on. Oh. Oh, no! It's all the little ones.
Okay. Chris, if you want to walk down and front that way.
No, I have it at a good angle. If I go any closer, the tree will get in the way.
These are small.
Random car!
Get off the front of the cars. Why? I can see it better then. No. Can I go on the roof? No. I'm just kidding. Is that it? Is heading back towards the house. Oh.
Oh, now they're going on behind the church. I saw one behind the church. Stop banging on the freaking car.
Ow.
Yeah, seriously. Cut it out.
It smells like rain.
You think firework fumes smell like... Let go of her. Let go of her.
Run inside.
I'm not filming you. This is the little boy who thinks firework fumes smell like rain.
No, the car hood.
This is the little boy who thinks car hoods smell like rain. So it just went inside. Oh, I see one. I saw one just go up, but
Why does it smell like fire?
they're coming from behind the church now. Oh, there they go. Oh, come on.
They're just ground shooters.
Oh, they're just shooters. I'm just barely getting them.
That way. Go.
There you go. Here, Eric, I'm gonna have to stand there.
Why?
I'm gonna get a better shot. There we go! There we go!
Where do you think I'm standing underneath the porch? smoke.
Smoke. You can't see the smoke. Burn, baby, burn. July Inferno.
Look, it's near the church. There's smoke over the church. No.
You can't see it now, but there's smoke overlooming the church.
It's like fog.
That's the complete opposite of what you think when you first see a church.
It's like fog. Look.
Well, it's too dark. The camera can't pick it up.
Turn on the light.
It won't work. It only goes like a couple of feet.
Wait.
Oh boy. Dead man laying. This is going to be an interesting 4th of July video. Oh! It's the present!
Turn that light off and turn off my camera.
Da, da, da.
Goodbye, happy 4th of July. Show it on me. Goodbye, happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
See Eric trip on hose.
See Eric. See Eric run. See Eric trip on hose and fall on his face.
Ow!
Alright.
Attacking me? Come here, go up. You don't have shoes on, that's why you're not going anywhere.
You know, Eric, you're going to be really embarrassed when I edit this video.
What? Why are you out here? Making sure my yard doesn't catch on fire? Is that okay with you? I don't know. Chris is getting me mad if he doesn't turn off my camera.
This is a lot better than the last video because I had to stand over there in glass-filled street barefoot just to get glimpses of fireworks.
Smart person to go out there without shoes. And wait.
Who's the smart person who actually got footage? Oh! Spinners!
Right where they were before. They're coming close to us? No.
The most that's coming here is dead ash.
And almost...
And dead Misty. Ha 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 ha.
And the closest that the real fireworks are coming are over that, over that lamppost.
See, the only thing that's bad is all the pauses that are in the middle of setting them up.
Cover it up. Little girl.
I cover it. The most that's hitting the camera is ash.
No, I mean cover it up so it's like darkness. Wait, it's already like darkness.
There's nothing on the street. That's what happens when you're not prepared. Okay, there we go.
Grand finale, probably. In same place.